Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a channel to have a password in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the contacts list. From here we just go into channels, then tap on a channel, then in the top right corner tap on the pencil icon, and here at the top we find the checkbox that says require password. We can tap on this and then set the password to the channel, so only people who have this key can access the channel and join in. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.